Now I'm starting to strip my 12 gauge wire using wire strippers. Now I'm getting ready to add some solder dip to the leads here, getting them ready to insert into the Speakon connectors. Now I'm actually able to put the red into the 1 plus and the black into the 1 minus of the Speakon connector, and I'm using the set screw to fasten those leads into the connector. Now I'm using this finger trap braid and snaking it across to the other side. And now I can get the right angle clamshell back shell of the Speakon connector. You have to make sure you get it on between the threads correctly before you screw it together. And next I'm lining up the heat shrink sleeving with the braid, getting ready to shrink it to place. Now I'm just ratcheting the strain relief into place. You'll hear audible clicking as it tightens. You'll get it to a good tightness without adding any stress onto the cable. Now we've got our finished cable ready to hook up our GSG Mini Marties. Thanks.